Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a reg checker configuration file using OpenBullet or SilverBullet. Now, a reg checker is a valuable tool that checks if an email is already registered on a certain website. While it might seem like a simple tool, it's actually really useful for several reasons. It can help attackers with credential stuffing by testing email lists to see which are valid. It's often used in reconnaissance for phishing attacks to identify active accounts. It can aid in enumeration attacks by confirming which users exist on certain platforms. For this video, we'll use this website as our practical example. If you missed our last video, where we also created a login automation configuration file, make sure to check that out too. Let's start by creating an empty config file in SilverBullet. For this process, you'll need a brute forcing tool like SilverBullet or OpenBullet, your preferred web browser, a VPN, and an HTTP interceptor to capture detailed requests. I'll be using HTTP Debugger because of its simplicity, but HTTP Toolkit works as well. The first step is to see what's happening on the site via the Dev tools. I'm already logged into the website and on the account edit page where you can change your email address. Let's try changing the email to a fake one we previously used. After hitting Save Changes, you can see the website immediately made a POST request. Here's the content of that request. Let's create a request stalker in SilverBullet. A simple POST request will work, but I like to add a GET request before the POST as a habit. Now let's test the GET request to see if we're reaching the right URL. As you can see, it's not the page we were looking for. This happens because we're not logged in via our brute forcing tool, so the website redirects us to the login page when attempting to change the email. Here's where the HTTP interceptor comes in. Let's try the POST request again, this time with HTTP Debugger on. You'll notice it captures the request, just like the browser's dev tools. Here's our request and its content section. The key difference is that our browser automatically adds additional info-like cookies to the request. To see the exact format sent to the server, check the Raw tab, copy the raw content, and paste it into the Custom Headers section of SilverBullet. Remember to delete the content info that stores email and password from the custom headers, since HTTP stores them at the end of the raw tab. The first and second lines can also cause issues in OpenBullet, but in SilverBullet, they're usually safe. I'll delete them out of habit. These cookies are key to making the request look more human-like, which improves the success rate. Now, copy the modified content and update the email field with the USER variable, as we're only working with emails here. Paste the modified content into the POST data section and test the config using the fake email. As you can see, the log returns known because we haven't set a key check yet. Let's add one for failure. Now, let's test the config again with another fake email that isn't registered on the site. You'll see a banned response, but that's only because we didn't add a success key check yet. Finally, copy the success keywords and paste it into the success contains section to complete the config. You can adjust the number of bots and add a ban key check, but the config should be fully functional now. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.